Okay, this is what I found out about EasyWorship and building a schedule. One of the first things I'm going to do, new schedule. Come down here to media, images, and I hope I get this right. And so now that I'm in the image, I'm going to drag this first one up here, drag and drop, and I'm going to select four more photographs. Um, an easy way to do this, I know he said Control A at this part. He may have mentioned it, but I'm just going to hold down the Control key and I'm going to click on the photos that I want. And I want these, and you see they all light up when you click on them. And yeah, I don't want this one. Yeah, I hope you're seeing this. Yeah, I want number 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I can drag all of them, even though you only see one, you're dragging them all. And I drag it up here until that line moves back. I let it go. They're all there. See that? They're all there. Good. Individual photos, they're there. Very good. So far, so good. Now I'm going to come back over here and I want to hit edit and this dialog box will pop up. And I want to come over, move from words to slide. Now I'm going to hit Control A. So I like all of these to be selected because whatever I do to this one, it's going to carry to the other four. And that's why we want them all selected. We can do them individually, but this saves a lot of time by doing it this way. Next, I'm going to go up here to this inspector. And the first place we go to, let me drag this dialog box over here. Slide. And where it says advance, it's going to advance automatically. And the time will be, I'm going to put 5 seconds on this raster. And now I'm going to go up to presentation. And there's only one reason to come in the presentation. Only one. And that's to hit this loop. Now I can go up here to this red button, X out. Then come back to this dialog. This bio is still here. And I'm just going to hit OK. Alrighty. And it should be ready to go. So I'm going to hit this arrow and then this and then go up and hit go live. Let's see. I think it's changing. Yes, that's it. Now you only have one screen, but right here you see a live output. So this shows you what your live output is right here. And I think you already know that. But as long as I see this changing, now I can put it up on my other screen here on the left and I can literally see, just like it was at the church, it changing. But that's it. That should be, that should help you. That should get it done. Ciao for now.